Hi, um, Happy New Year. Um, I will say welcome you to 2019. Happy New Year. I'm here again to talk to some of us out there, especially we young folks who are out there, who does not have no life. I want to ask you, what do you see about life? What is life? Some people might say life is about love. Some might say life is about religion. Yeah, it could be true. Some could see it in a different way, in a different form, in a different shape. This is in the year 2019. Have you guys ever asked yourself, what have I done in the year 2018 that I don't want it to repeat itself again in this year 2019? Oh, I think I've ever thought of doing something new, something fresh, something nobody has ever done before, something that will motivate other people. This is year 2019. I'm talking to those who are out there who are still young, like me, who are not married, who has no kids at all, who are still schooling, who I believe they still, that they still have a long way to go. Some drop out of school because due to some reason to another. Some drop out of school because they have nobody to to motivate them. If you have no one to motivate you, why not motivate yourself? This goes out to every young people, every young folks out there. Never give up on yourself. It's never too late. Don't let nobody talk to you now, say some words to you and be like, oh yeah, that's the end of the world. Don't let nobody talk to you like that. It's your life. Don't let no friends come from nowhere and say, yo, you do this, you do that. And when that it comes, they're nowhere to be found. When it's good for you, that's when you see them around. But when it's not good for you, then they deny you like they don't know you. Why do you? Have you ever asked yourself, who truly are my friends? Are those friends that run away, or those friends that stick with me in times of trouble, in times of 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 happiness? Have you ever asked for that? Have you ever thought of that? Have you ever thought of, wait a minute, this is the year 2019. I got to do something about my life. I don't want my life to remain the same the way it was last year, 2018. Have you ever thought of yourself, I, I, need, I need to do something. I have to move on with my life. Don't let no friends touch you down. Don't let no friends say something that is not good. Some friends are there to destroy one another, while some friends are there to motivate one another. Why not look for friends who are out there who are willing to motivate you and I? Let me tell you a little secret. I hang out with people who are smarter than I am, who are brilliant than I am, who I know that when I ask for them for something, they're willing to help. No matter how young they are or how old they are, it could be in the same group age, There could be someone who's older than you or who's younger than you. It doesn't really matter. As long as you know what you're doing, you know where you're going, it doesn't really matter. Have you ever asked yourself in this year 2018, I need to do something good? Have you ever asked yourself in this year 2019, what are my goals? What are the things I need to do? Will my life still remain the same the way it was last year, 2018? Or are you going to move on and look for something tangible to do? Something great to do? People out there asking, why? I'm from Nigeria. A lot of my friends from Africa are dropping out of school due to the economy. It's not that they wish to drop out, just the fact that the economy is really bad. People out there struggling, trying to make meat. It's not like they wish to. They did because they didn't have nobody to motivate them. Why not we all youth come together as one and put our heads together as one to do something good in life? There is nothing wrong in we young youth going out there and take control over the community. It's not too late for that. It's really not too late. It's not. Don't let nobody talk to you down. Let nobody weigh you down and tell you you can't do it. You can't do it. You're too small to do that. Don't let nobody tell you that. You're not too small to do nothing. You're not too small. If you truly believe in yourself, if you truly believe in yourself that yes, you can do that, why not do it? Why not do something you love? Why not do something that when you get to that stage, you can pass it on to your children, to your great grandchildren. So when you die, the, your children and your grandchildren will be like, yes, when father was still alive, he does this and that. Why not let us do something that the generation will remember us? Even the next generation after our great grandchildren, our great grandchildren. Why not let us do something that when we do it, by the time we grow old and die, our legacy will continue to live. Let people say, yes, that is my son. Let your parents be proud of you and say, yes, that is my son, that is my daughter. He did that, he did this. By doing that, you are motivating other kids out there to do something. So why not do something you love and so that you can lay it to other people, to other kids. By doing that, you're motivating other kids to do something what they love. So why not do it? Thank you.